Did you know that in 2017, the Society of Hospital Pharmacists found that the 5 most common unavailable medicines included antibiotics, anaesthetics, cardiology drugs, endocrine drugs, and chemotherapy? These were all really important medicines for patients, and by using a compounding alternative, the potential is that the patients can still receive their medicine. So part of compounding's vital role, which is starting to grow, and certainly that we've noticed internally in here, is the availability of certain prescription drugs. I'm talking about the mass manufactured ones. There's currently a TGA website that's been set up that lists over 300 unavailable drugs currently. A lot of these are very commonly used ones, which makes it quite difficult for patients, especially if they need it in a hurry. Part of this worldwide shortage is due to a couple of factors. One of the main ones is that there's only a certain number, approximately 7 sterile manufacturers around the world, and often places, if there's a drama such as environmental, floods, storms, and one of these manufacturing sites does go down, there's a real risk that patients, especially in Australia because of our isolation, will be void of their therapy. Another reason for potential medication shortages is again due to our isolation in Australia. Unfortunately, when there's only a certain size market and drugs are only being paid at a certain price by the government to the drug manufacturers, it just makes it unviable in most situations, and there have been a number of medicine discontinuations in the last 12 and 24 months which are still prescribed, still safe, but unfortunately just not feasible for manufacturers to make. The beauty of being part of our partner program for your community pharmacy is if your patients are on this medicine, you can just contact us, we can suggest pricing and also prepare the product for your patient, which means the therapy doesn't stop, the quality of the product is identical to what they were receiving previously, and everyone can go on happy as Larry.